Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a personal video. I do a lot of real estate videos and things like that, but I wanted to do an unboxing of the new Metallica album, right? 72 seasons, and James's picture is behind here. So I just wanted to show you, this. I'm very excited. You know, Metallica is a band that has just come a long way. They keep putting out good music. They don't pretend to, they don't pretend to be young, right? You know, they are older guys doing rock and roll, but the rock and roll is good. They always try to level up. So I wanted to show you what 72 seasons. Okay, it's got some popular songs on here, Lux Eterna and things like that. This was behind the, this is James. James is the man, by the way, probably one of the best frontmen. Although my favorite frontman is Jonathan Davis from Korn, believe it or not. But this is the box, right? 72 seasons, or the outside, and you got James here, all right? And then you open it up, and you got Kirk, great lead guitarist. And then it opens up here. You got Lars. Love the photos, by the way. How cool is that? And this is very, you know, a minimalist design, which I think is cool. It's not too cluttered. All right, then you got Rob. Rob's the man. Jason Newsted, I'm a huge fan of him anyway. But you know, Rob does a great job as well, and I love his antics on stage. Okay, and then it opens up. You got this. So this is what the inside looks like. And I know this is a spoiler alert, but I just wanted to share. I don't care. I'm excited. Okay, so you got this here. And then they got this book. This is, I guess it's a doll. Then you got the back. The credits. All songs written by Hetfield and Lars Ulrich, except for 72 seasons, Crown of Barbed Wire, Chasing Light, If Darkness Had a Sun, Hetfield, Ulrich, and Hammett did that one. Screaming Suicide, Sleepwalk My Life Away, You Must Burn. That was written by Hetfield, Ulrich, and then the bassist Rob Trujillo. I believe I said it right. If I said it wrong, I'm so sorry. But this is, you know, these this is old school. It's got the lyrics. And I'm still a fan of CDs. I like CDs. My car has a CD player. I stream stuff too, but I love feeling the print of the stuff. So look at this. That's the songs. Love the graphics too. I just think it's very cool. Okay. It's Lars' drum set, or a picture of a drum set shredded. I love it. This one here, it's like a tricycle. By the way, my wife is probably wondering, why did you buy this CD? But you know, they're just a great band and they are artists. So there's a baseball bat here. I was covering it. So this is, you know, the unboxing. Oh, here's some more. I love how they took these images and probably did something in Photoshop, or just they had graphic artists do that. But how cool is that? That's a guitar that just looks like it's been through a war. I like creative stuff like this, and that's the last part of this booklet. And then it closes, and then there's the back. So how cool is that? I don't know. I just wanted to share this. I'm going to be jamming it here as I leave this parking lot, but just felt compelled to share this with you. So Metallica, thank you for coming out with another great album, and I just can't wait to jam the rest of the songs that I haven't heard yet. I just know that they're great. It's just a given, okay? The 3 songs that were leaked were huge and awesome. So anyway, get the CD, okay? It's not an endorsed video, and Metallica didn't pay me. I'm just a huge fan. So get this CD, download it on reputable streaming outlets, whatever. Just get the album and jam out. So I appreciate you watching this video.